I was inspired by working for the Agricultural Research Council years ago, where I learned how to work with fynbos plants. My biggest challenge for being in this business, besides that we only grow horticulture products, we also grow agricultural products. And as you know, the agricultural sector is very male dominant. And for me, being a very small female, it is challenging actually to work with a male dominant industry. It's very challenging, but I'm enjoying every moment of it. Looking at the fynbos and the agriculture, it is much needed products for our people. So I see and I believe that the fynbos will have a bigger market share, make a difference in people's life by definitely creating more jobs for the community in this area. My biggest success was by growing this nursery from a small backyard garden to a more commercially operated business. As a small business, it was important for the Fynbos to show people that as a small business that you can really do it and produce quality products. So one of the biggest successes was for the Fynbos to be sustainable and show people that we're there to stay. If I would win this competition, it will mean the world to me and to the Fynbos. It will basically show that yes, as a female, we can run a business. It will show the industry that the Fynbos is there to stay and also to help my people, my workers, by growing as well, by sticking to the Fynbos and just make it a bigger company.